Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Take care, Sourav. I am Sourav Dutta, and today in this video I am going to show you Windows cannot be installed to this disk. The selected disk has an MBR partition table on EFI system. Windows can only be installed to GPT disk. The main causes of problem is when your hard drive partition style does not support the BIOS type. If your computer has a EFI BIOS, then it support GPT partition style disks. First exit the Windows installation setup. As soon as the Windows installation exit the setup, then press the F2 or del button, go to the BIOS setup. After entering the BIOS setup, then go to the exit tab. Note the point, when I put the Windows 10 and Windows 11 onto a pen drive, make it bootable and then boot the computer, this problem occurs. As you can see here, the boot override is showing two USB drives. One is USB and other is UEFI USB. If you encounter this problem, simply go to the USB option and press the enter button. As soon as you press the enter button, then your computer will restart and the computer will boot up again same position. When the Windows boot setup start, go to the Windows setup screen where your problem was happening. Check if the problem is still showing there. Hopefully it not be showing anymore. I hope this video help you. Please share it with your friends also. If you have any doubt related to this, let us know in the comment box below. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.